Komatsu, the renowned Japanese heavy equipment manufacturer, has unveiled their latest innovation in underground mining, the continuous miner. This powerful machine can extract coal and other minerals with incredible efficiency, cutting through the rock face with ease. The continuous miner's advanced automation and remote control capabilities reduce the need for human operators, enhancing safety in dangerous mining environments. With its impressive productivity and reduced operating costs, this Komatsu machine is revolutionizing the way mines extract valuable resources. K-Tech, a Canadian engineering company, has developed a massive land leveler that can transform uneven terrain into perfectly flat surfaces in record time. Spanning 28 feet wide, this behemoth of a machine can level large areas with incredible precision, making it ideal for site preparation, road construction, and agricultural applications. The land leveler's robust design and powerful hydraulic system allow it to tackle even the most challenging landscapes, saving contractors and farmers valuable time and resources. Sputnik, a leading Russian manufacturer of agricultural equipment, has introduced a revolutionary line of folding planters. These machines can seamlessly transition from an 8-row to a 12-row configuration, enabling farmers to adapt to changing field conditions and optimize their planting operations. The Sputnik folding planter's innovative folding mechanism and advanced control systems ensure efficient, high-speed planting, while their robust construction ensures reliable performance in even the toughest working environments. Caterpillar, the American heavy equipment giant, has unveiled the 6060 FS, a massive mining shovel that sets new standards for productivity and efficiency. With a staggering 60 metric ton bucket capacity, this colossal machine can load haul trucks in record time, dramatically increasing the overall output of mining operations. The 6060 FS's advanced hydraulic system and intuitive controls allow operators to precisely control the shovel's movements, ensuring maximum precision and safety during operation. This Caterpillar powerhouse is a game changer for the mining industry. Holland, a renowned Dutch manufacturer of agricultural equipment, has introduced the CR1090, a high-capacity crop harvester that sets a new benchmark for productivity. This impressive machine can efficiently gather and process a wide range of crops, from grains to vegetables, with unparalleled speed and precision. The CR1090's advanced sensor technology and intelligent control systems ensure optimal performance, while its robust design and low maintenance requirements make it a reliable choice for farmers and agricultural contractors. Euromac, an Italian specialist in compact construction equipment, has unveiled the R955 Spider Digger, a unique and highly maneuverable excavator. Designed to navigate tight spaces and tackle challenging terrain, this spider-like machine can effortlessly climb slopes, traverse soft ground, and work in confined areas. The R955's articulated undercarriage and advanced hydraulic system give it unparalleled mobility and precise control, making it an invaluable tool for landscaping, demolition, and urban construction projects. Plowing, a French manufacturer of innovative agricultural machinery, has developed the Double Leaf Remover, a game-changing tool for vineyard and orchard management. This compact, self-propelled machine can efficiently remove leaves from both sides of a row, improving light and air circulation within the canopy. The double leaf remover's precision cutting blades and adjustable height settings ensure a consistent and uniform leaf removal, optimizing the plant's growth and fruit production. This Plowing convention is a must-have for modern, high-efficiency vineyards and orchards. BIS, an Australian leader in heavy-duty transportation solutions, has unveiled their dual-powered road trains, a revolutionary approach to long-haul haulage. These massive, multi-trailer rigs combine diesel and electric powertrains, allowing them to operate with significantly reduced emissions and fuel consumption. The dual-powered road train's advanced control systems ensure seamless integration of the two propulsion systems, providing the power and range required for remote and challenging terrain. This innovative BIS technology is poised to transform the heavy transport industry's environmental impact. Grimm, a leading German manufacturer of agricultural machinery, has introduced the Matrix 1800, a high-performance potato harvester that sets new standards in efficiency and precision. This innovative machine can extract potatoes from the ground while gently handling the delicate tubers, minimizing damage and maximizing yield. The Matrix 1800's advanced sorting and cleaning systems ensure the potatoes are delivered to storage or processing in pristine condition. With its impressive capacity and user-friendly design, this Grimm harvester is a game-changer for potato farmers worldwide. Bergmann, a renowned German engineering company, has unveiled the Dumper C815S, a versatile and powerful dumper designed for demanding construction and mining applications. With a large 15-ton payload capacity, this robust machine can tackle even the most challenging terrain thanks to its all-wheel drive system and articulated steering. The Dumper C815S's hydrostatic transmission and advanced control systems provide smooth, precise operation, while its spacious cabin and ergonomic design ensure operator comfort and safety. This Bergmann innovation is a must-have for contractors and mine operators seeking a reliable and efficient material handling solution. Sampo Rosenloo, a Finnish agricultural equipment manufacturer, has introduced the Komiat 12, a high-capacity self-propelled forage harvester that revolutionizes the way farmers manage their crops. This powerful machine can quickly and efficiently gather, chop, and transport large volumes of hay, silage, and other forage materials, dramatically improving productivity and reducing labor-intensive manual work. The Komiat 12's advanced data-driven controls and precision farming capabilities allow farmers to optimize their operations, ensuring maximum yield and quality. This Sampo Rosenloo invention is a game-changer for modern, high-efficiency livestock farming. Redefining, a Finnish company specializing in peat extraction and processing, has developed a groundbreaking machine that revolutionizes the way peat is harvested. The Redefining system utilizes a unique, environmentally friendly approach that minimizes the impact on fragile peatland ecosystems. By gently lifting and transporting the peat, the machine preserves the integrity of the soil and allows for sustainable, long-term extraction. This innovative technology not only improves the efficiency of peat harvesting, but also sets a new standard for eco-friendly resource management in the industry. Claas, a leading German agricultural equipment manufacturer, has unveiled the Xerion 5000, 4200, a powerful and versatile tractor that redefines the standard for high-performance farming. This impressive machine boasts a massive 500 horsepower engine and a 200 kilogram lift capacity, making it capable of tackling the most demanding agricultural tasks. The Xerion's unique four-wheel steering system and advanced hydraulics provide unparalleled maneuverability and precision, allowing farmers to navigate tight spaces and execute complex operations with ease. This class innovation is a true game-changer for large-scale, high-efficiency farming operations. Univerco, a renowned Dutch manufacturer of specialized agricultural machinery, has developed an innovative onion digger that streamlines the harvesting process. This machine efficiently extracts onions from the ground, gently lifting the delicate bulbs while minimizing damage and ensuring optimal quality. The Univerco onion digger's advanced sensor technology and programmable controls allow for precise depth adjustment and consistent performance, even in varying soil conditions. By automating this labor-intensive task, this Univerco invention helps farmers boost productivity and reduce the physical strain on their workforce. EcoHarvester, a Swedish company at the forefront of sustainable forestry equipment, has introduced the 1250F, a highly maneuverable and eco-friendly forwarder. This machine is designed to minimize the impact on fragile forest ecosystems with a compact design and advanced power management system that reduces fuel consumption and emissions. The 1250F's advanced load sensing hydraulics and precise control systems enable operators to navigate through dense vegetation and delicate terrain, ensuring efficient and environmentally conscious timber harvesting. This EcoLog innovation sets a new standard for sustainable forestry practices. McCormick, an Italian manufacturer of agricultural equipment, has unveiled the X4, a versatile and powerful tractor that caters to the needs of modern farmers. Featuring a robust high-torque engine and a user-friendly ergonomic design, the X4 delivers impressive performance and operator comfort. This tractor's advanced technology, including precision farming capabilities and integrated IoT connectivity, allows farmers to optimize their operations and maximize productivity. With its exceptional versatility and innovative features, the McCormick X4 is poised to become a cornerstone of progressive, data-driven agriculture.